Every week, it's something new. Missed trash pickups, dirty floors, smudged glass doors. I've tried so many cleaning companies, but none seem to get it right. And when I call to complain, no one answers. Or they make excuses. The lack of communication is making my job harder. Then one day I thought, there has to be someone better out there. That's when I found General Facility Care, and wow, 5-star reviews everywhere. I decided to give them a call, and right away I was speaking to a manager who listened to my concerns and offered real solutions. From day one, their team was professional, thorough, and always in touch with me. It was a total game changer. No more complaints, no more missed details. I finally feel like my building is in good hands. Hiring General Facility Care was the best decision I made for our company. Call General Facility Care today and experience the difference you've been searching for.